Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own magnesium oil at home. To make this, you need magnesium chloride flakes. That's what you need for this recipe with water. I prefer using distilled water. So I have two bakers or even three. So I'm going to measure it now. This is 50 grams of magnesium chloride and 50 grams of hot distilled water. You want to use hot water for this so that it can dissolve quickly. Now, now that I've poured it, I'm going to pour the magnesium chloride and mix. This is very good if you have muscle ache, headache, you have nerve pains. This is very good for you. I am using mine for my nails. So I am going to mix it together. Now that I'm mixing it, it doesn't take up to 3 minutes or 2 minutes. They are all dissolved. I'm pouring it in this clear plate so that you can see that it's clear. So it's completely dissolved, and I'm going to add 5 drops of lavender essential oil. You can add any essential oil of your choice, and I'm pouring it into this baker. This is not into the baker, I'm pouring it into this bottle, and I am going to now shake it up just for extra, and then it is ready to spray. You can spray it in your ankle, your knee, any part of your body. The back of your head is also good, in your knee, your chest, in anywhere that has muscle in it, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching my video. Until I come your way next time, see you soon. Bye bye.